Hi everyone, I'm Mikkel Ram.
And I'm Jake Proctor.
And I'm Brad Feldhouse with the Ram Real Estate Group here at Coldwell Banker, and we're super excited to tell you a little more about this community. This new community is located on the former Grand Oak Golf Club in West Harrison, Indiana.
Guys, we are right in the heart of Dearborn County, one of the fastest growing counties in the entire tri-state.
What's great about this location is we are 10 minutes from downtown Harrison to all your conveniences and highway access.
This new community has 16 total home sites available, spanning over 110 acres with beautiful vista views and pond views.
Now each site is anywhere from 2.5 up to 27 acres.
Like he said, there were 16 home sites available, 3 of which are already sold. So if you guys want to be a part of this community, you got to act fast. Guys, we are super excited for this community to get started. There's a lot of good energy out here.
Remember, you can use your own builder in this community, or we can align you with one of our preferred builders.
For more information, please call or text me 513-828-9880. Thanks.